How to turn off sound in AFK Arena. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming Basics. Today I'll be guiding you how to turn off notification in AFK Arena. Turning off sound in AFK Arena is quite easy, so without any delay, let's get started. Open AFK Arena, launch the game, start AFK Arena on your device. Access the setting menu, tap on your player profile icon usually located in the top left corner of the main screen. Setting button, tap the gear icon to open the setting menu. Adjust sound setting. In the setting menu, look for options related to sound, music or audio. You might find them under audio, sound or similar. Turn off sound. Find the slider or toggle for music volume and turn it down or off. Sound effect volume. Similarly, find the slider or toggle for the sound effect volume and turn it down or off. Confirm changes. Save setting. Ensure your changes are saved if prompted. The sound should be now turned off or adjust according to your preference. And that's how you can turn off sound in AFK Arena. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.